Okay.
So, like I said, the first aspect that we did, I just want to explain it over. Now, in the first aspect, we have two numbers at the top. We also have two numbers at the bottom. The two numbers at the top are adding themselves. 8 plus 2 gives us the 10. 15 divided by 3 gives us the 12. Then 10 divided by 5 gives us the 2. That's clear, right?
Yeah.
Good. Then the next one, we have a bracket multiplying a single number. So we firstly solve the bracket. 7 plus 5 gives us 12 at the top there. Then 4 exists again. Then at the bottom, we have a multiplication to be added to something. So we firstly solve the multiplication, which is 6 to be added to 6. So the one above 4 times 12 gives us 48. And the one below 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so continuing now. The next one, so that's 48 over 12 that gives us 4. The next one, we have a bracket to be added to something, but in the bracket it says subtraction, while the one at the bottom is subtraction. In the bracket, we have 3 as a result, plus the 6 gives us 9. Then the subtraction at the bottom gives us 2. So 9 over 2 now gives us 4. And this fifth one, we have 12 divided by the bracket, then over 5 divided by 5. Obviously, 25 divided by 5 gives us 5, and the bracket is 4, because 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So we have 3 over 5, which is a fraction in its lowest term. Then the next one, we have 2 divided by 4 multiplied by something. So we change the 2 divided by 4 as 2 over 4 times 8. 4 in 4 is 1, then 4 in 8. So 2 times 2 above is going to give us 4. At the bottom, we have 5 and positive 7, then negative 6. So 5 over 7 gives us 12, then minus 6 gives us 6. Then 4 over 6 gives us 2 over 3 in the lowest form. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then we have 3 times 3, then over 21 divided by a bracket. In the bracket is subtraction, which gives us 7. Then 3 times 3 is 9, and 21 divided by the bracket is 3. So 9 over 3. Now, after that, we move on to the negative signs or something. We said when we had a negative number, it is the same thing as subtracting a positive number. So plus next to a minus means you should subtract when it is not multiplication. The second step, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. So minus next to minus means you are adding. Is that clear? And
Yeah.
we look at another example there which says negative 8 positive 18. That means we are subtracting. So 18 minus 8 should give us 10. But we break the 18 down into the value of the 8 here. So we take 8 positive out to negate or to cancel 8 negatives. So that this one gives us the 18. Then negative 8 cancel positive 8. So we have what is left is 10. That's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to bring up some more questions for us to quickly look at, okay? Showing your workings. So let's see. This one says work out the first one, 1 minus negative 4. Okay. minus negative 4. That means the next step you have to write 1 plus 4. Okay, I wrote 4. I wrote positive because minus times minus is plus. Minus times minus is plus. So the final answer is going to be a positive 5. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So when it says show you're working, it means show something like this. Okay, is that clear? Then the
Yeah, it
second.
would just be simple, like simple. I guess subtracting.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. The next one is negative
Then mom said you should.
5 plus
Then
negative
mom said you should.
negative 5 plus negative 2. That means this becomes negative 5. Then negative times positive is negative. Okay, that is when a plus is next to a
Okay.
minus, you subtract. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So we have minus 2. So since the negative are 5 and the negatives are 2, then the total negative is 7. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now, if we are to do this other one, which is the first part, let me do A from the one up below. So 1A says negative 4 plus 3. Now we can see that the quantity of negative is more than that of the positive, which is there are 4 of the negative. So if I break it down, it will be negative 3 and negative 1, then positive 3. So here we can say positive 3 will cancel negative 3, leaving us with a negative 1. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So if this cancels, our final answer is. So that means you can still show a kind of working to show how you arrive, to be sure that you truly did not use a calculator. Is that clear? Because the instruction says work out the following without using your calculator.
This is not the way I was taught in school.
What do you say?
This is not the way I was taught in school.
Yeah, this is not the way you were taught. That's true. But this is just the explanatory way in order for you to know how to do it. In the case that in school, some question they will just give you, they will say press your calculator, right?
Yeah.
uh So, but right now, you really need to know the principle, not just pressing calculator, to know why it is so. Okay.
Okay.
So the second one says negative 1, negative 4. The basic working for this is just because they are the same signs. Okay. So
Yeah.
we are adding them. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So that means it is negative 5. And the third one, minus 12, positive 15. Please look at this one. You can see the quantity of the 15 is more than the quantity of the positive is more than the quantity of the negative, right?
Yeah.
How many positive? 15. How many negative? 12. So you can bring 12 out from the positive to have 3 left. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then what will be the final answer? Positive 3. Okay? Can you hear me? Okay, now the next one, option D. For option D, we have
Like
6 minus 17.
A.
6 minus 17. So you will see that
And
the quantity of the
and
negative, are you hearing me?
yeah,
The quantity of negative is more than the quantity of the positive number. So if I take 6 negative out from the 17 negative, I'm going to have 11 negative remaining. So the 6 minus 6 can give us 0. Then we have our final answer to be minus 11. Okay?
yeah,
Then option E, we have 4 minus a negative 2. So again, when we see negative standing next to negative, it means we are adding, we are not subtracting. Okay? So it's
yeah,
plus we are going to do here, and this is simply 6. Then option F, we have negative 6 minus a negative 2. Okay?
yeah,
So negative next to negative indicates positive. Then minus 6. Now you can see what we have. The quantity of negative is more than the quantity of positive. Are you watching this? Are you
yeah,
looking at it? Good. So
yeah, yeah,
we have negative 4, a negative 2, then that positive 2. So the positive 2 and negative 2 will cancel out. Then the final answer will be what? Negative 4. Is this clear now?
better son.
Is it
Yeah,
clear to you? So I'll give you some time to write down the notes, then you do the remaining as assignment, okay? So you will show your working. So let me write it on it, but write down the note. Questions G, G, H, I,
oh, the name for
J,
these
K, and L. So show your workings, okay?
yeah. Also, you know for the weekday classes,
What do you say?
for the weekday classes,
The which week?
like you know for the classes we do on Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Mm-hmm.
I do this just for the summer.
Yeah, yeah, just for the summer.
Yeah.
So once the summer is over, it will be only our weekend class,
Saturday
okay?
and Sunday.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday. So write down these notes. Then once you are through, you're going to get Kenzie for me once you finish.